Hey folks, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make basically a cabbage boil. I'm also adding some onion to it. So basically this is a cabbage and an onion boil. This is my version of the recipe. So here we go. So these are my base ingredients for this cabbage, and I'm going to do onion boil all in one pot. So I'm doing it differently, my version, right? I just came up with the idea last night and I said I'm going to do this. So I'm just basically going to cut up the cabbage. Sorry about that. Cut up the cabbage like this. As you can see, I left the core in place. You can move it if you want. It's up to you. I'm going to do the same thing with the onion. I decided to use this red onion, just for color sake. Cut them the same. Again, you could cut this anyhow that you like. Okay, so now next what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna season this up. This is some chili powder, paprika powder, I'm just eyeballing my ingredients. I'm going to use some garlic powder. This is my all-purpose seasoning. I'm going to use a small bit of this because I'm also going to be adding the Old Bay seasoning. And this is supposed to have salt in it. Let me check and see. Yeah, this has like a celery salt. So, of course, I have to taste before everything is finally done. And some water. So basically what I'm doing here, I'm kind of steaming the cabbage. You don't want to put too much water. Steaming the cabbage, but getting all that kind of a boiled effect. Add some butter. I think that should do it for me. Probably put one more small piece, and I'm good to go. I'm going to put this on the stove. Cover the pot. Put this on the stove, and let it do its thing. Yeah, baby. Okay, so here's my cabbage boil with some onion on the stove for about basically 20 minutes. As you can see, it's basically nice and soft. I tasted it already, and add a little more salt, seasoning salt, add a little more water because I wanted the cabbage to cook a little more, and it's pretty good. You know, cabbage wouldn't take long to cook, so I wanted to make sure I have a nice bit more of sauce with it. What I've been doing so far, just basting the cabbage, make sure the seasoning mix up and everything. You see the sauce basically almost boiled down already, even though I already added some more water. I'll leave it this for about another 10 minutes, and it should be ready. This piece is a big chunk of cabbage, but it's cooked. Let me just check and make sure. Yeah, it's good. But I like it to cook a little more. Look at that. Yeah. A little more water. Yeah, that should do it. And in about 10 minutes, I'm going to turn off the stove. So here's my cabbage boil. Did it with some onions. So basically a cabbage and an onion boil. And I also boiled up some, I have some corn here. And this is a really nice way to eat your cabbage. Some people don't like cabbage, but it's really nice, fun way to prepare it, to eat it. And the cabbage is nicely cooked. It is super delicious, and the onion has a nice sweet flavor. So it tastes really, really good. So give it a try and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.